Mm. Great God above, Papa God below me. Me come along you with humble heart. You sap a long road me. Walk about long end. You sap a long heavy me carry him every day. Walk with me, guide me, protect me. Let my life show your glory. Yeah. Every morning time me gear up. Me put him light blow, me long hand blow. You long walk blow me, long ting ting blow me. Papa God, lead me in all I do. Give me wisdom long every decision. Give me peace time, heavy I come time. Me know sape one him wrote by me behind him. Let your voice guide my heart and hand. Protect me from danger I cannot see, from jealousy, darkness and hidden pain. Let your light surround my daily life, like sunshine after heavy rain. Oh, great God, walk with me, hold my hand through every storm. You stop close to love me, keep my heart safe and warm. Guide me, protect me, let your glory shine through me. Me like live by faith and trust. Papa God set my spirit free. When sickness comes and body feels weak, I call your name, my healing King. Touch my life with your mighty hand. Let hope and strength begin again. In my clinic, work and daily care, let your mercy flow through what I do. When I help the sick and broken ones, let them feel the love of you. Not by my power, not by my name, but by your grace I stand today. Use my hands, my words, my heart to bring your healing on the way. Great God, walk with me, hold my hand through every storm. You stop close to lonely, keep my heart safe and warm. Guide me, protect me, let your glory shine through me. Me like live by faith and trust. Papa God, set my spirit free. Papa God, open doors for me, break the chains of poverty. Give me wisdom with money and work. Lead me into financial liberty. Remove every evil influence, cut every bond that's holding me. If darkness tries to pull me down, rescue me and make me free. Teach me to walk within your guidelines, keep my feet on holy ground. When temptation calls my name, let your spirit turn me around. Let my life be a testimony, let my actions speak your grace. When people look at how I live, let them see your holy face. Make me humble, make me faithful, make me strong but full of love. Let my journey here on earth point all hearts to you above. Great God, walk with me, hold my hand through every storm. You stop close to lonely, keep my heart safe and warm. Guide me, guide, protect me, let your glory shine through me, shine through me. Light, live by faith and trust. Papa God, set my spirit free. Papa God, me give him all, get along you. My life, my work, my family, my future too. Stay with me in the morning, stay with me in the night. Let me walk in your presence, let me live in your light. So when others see me, they will not praise my name, but they will see your goodness and give glory to you.